How to delete messages on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to delete sent messages on Messenger but don't know how to do it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to delete messages on Messenger. Open Messenger on a device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation in which you want to delete your message. Long press on the message you want to delete. A menu will appear. Tap on More. Right here, you will see the option to remove. Tap on it. Once you click on remove, two options will pop up. Decide which option you prefer. If you are trying to remove only for yourself, click on remove for you option. But if you are trying to remove the message from both sides, then tap on Unsend. Let's remove the message for both sides. As I said earlier, tap on Unsend. Once you unsend the message, you will see you unsent the message text in the exact place where the deleted message was. Similarly, you can delete multiple messages on Messenger either only for yourself or from both sides. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to delete messages on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.